3 strategies to build muscle and burn fat at the same time. Hey everyone! If you're ready to transform your health and wellness, go ahead and hit that like button. Today we're diving into some amazing tips that will take your quality of life to the next level. Make sure to stick around until the end because we've got tons of valuable info coming your way. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the time. Only together can we build a healthy, informed community. Join us on this journey to becoming your best self. Finding the balance between getting more toned and cutting fat can seem like a monumental challenge, especially for those who've been hitting the gym for a while. However, if you're just starting your fitness journey, this dream can totally become a reality. Let's dive into how you can lose weight and get stronger at the same time. Although the goals of building muscle and losing fat are, in many ways, at odds with each other, there is a way to reconcile them, especially for beginners. It's crucial to understand that often this task is viewed as impossible by more experienced gym-goers. But if you're just starting out, it is indeed possible to strike a balance between these two goals. One of the major obstacles that comes up along the way is managing your calorie intake. To lose weight, your body needs to be in a caloric deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you burn. Conversely, building muscle requires a higher nutrient intake, which can complicate weight loss. The adaptation potential for beginners is so high that even with a calorie-restricted diet, it's possible to gain muscle. However, more experienced individuals usually find it challenging to align these two goals while in a caloric deficit, which makes this combination quite tough, experts in fitness note. Moving forward, here are 3 approaches that can help those wanting to build muscle and burn fat simultaneously. 1. Demystify light training. It's super important to understand that to build muscle, you need to train intensely, focusing on sets that push you to muscle failure. The time you spend working out isn't as crucial as how hard you're pushing yourself. Regardless of how many carbs you've got in your diet, what really matters is whether you're giving it your all. 2. Keep a balanced diet. Excessively consuming calories can aid in muscle growth, while eating less helps with weight loss. However, both of these strategies shouldn't be taken to extremes, as that may hinder reaching either goal. Always seek guidance from a professional to create a balanced eating plan that fits your needs. 3. Be strategic with your calories. A final suggestion is to strategically allocate your calorie intake. For instance, you might want to eat a bit more on days when you're training specific muscle groups, like your arms or glutes. On non-training days, maintain a caloric deficit. This way, you can focus on reducing body fat without sacrificing muscle growth in those targeted areas. Strength training, an ally in weight loss. If you've ever wondered whether strength training can help with weight loss, the answer is a resounding yes. Often, those looking to shed pounds focus solely on aerobic activities like running or biking. However, lifting weights can be just as effective, if not more so, in improving fitness levels and promoting fat loss. According to sports medicine experts, combining aerobic exercise with strength training is the most effective way to lose weight in a healthy manner. In addition to encouraging weight loss, strength training helps balance the body's functions, contributing to a better quality of life. Strength training and inflammation. A key factor linked to obesity is inflammation. When we have a high body fat percentage, it leads to inflammation in the body, which can cause various diseases. This happens because muscles, just like fat, produce hormones. However, fat tends to produce inflammatory substances, while muscles release agents that fight inflammation. Thus, increasing muscle mass isn't just vital for combating obesity but also for fostering a healthier body. Muscle hypertrophy, or muscle growth, plays a significant role in this process. The power of muscles in burning calories. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Many people think aerobic exercises are the only solution. But incorporating strength training into your routine can be an effective strategy. Increasing muscle mass leads to a higher calorie burn because muscle burns more energy than fat. This means that besides losing weight, you'll also be significantly improving your health. Regulating hormones with strength training. Doing strength exercises not only amplifies fat loss, but is also essential for balancing the body's hormones. For example, maintaining adequate testosterone levels is crucial for optimizing fat burning. Hormonal imbalances can lead to a vicious cycle that promotes fat storage. Therefore, it's crucial to diversify your training, mixing aerobic workouts with strength training. Depending solely on cardio activities can lead you to lose muscle mass, which over time could be detrimental. So, what did you think of today's content? If you haven't left a like or subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Now's the perfect time to do it. Your support is crucial so we can keep bringing you hot tips and up-to-date info on health and wellness for you and everyone looking for a fulfilling life. Don't forget to check out our other videos, there's so much good stuff waiting for you. Catch you next time. And remember, taking care of your health is the best gift you can give yourself.